The Dreame X40 Ultra and X50 Ultra are advanced robot vacuum cleaners designed to elevate your home cleaning experience. From March 24th through 31st, grab an extra 5% off the X40 and X50 Ultra with our exclusive codes in the video description. Special thanks to Dreame for sponsoring this video and providing exclusive savings to you. The X40 Ultra offers a robust cleaning solution with a suction power of 12,000 pascals, effectively capturing dirt and debris from various floor types. It features AI RGB and 3D structured light for precise obstacle avoidance, ensuring efficient navigation around your home. The vacuum's 800 milliliter dust box capacity allows for extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. Additionally, its 4.5 liter clean water tank and 4 liter used water tank support thorough mopping capabilities. The X40 Ultra is equipped with a 6400 mAh battery, providing substantial runtime for comprehensive cleaning. Building upon its predecessor, the X50 Ultra introduces several enhancements for an even more effective cleaning performance. With a powerful 20,000 pascal suction, it ensures deeper cleaning across various surfaces. The X50 Ultra can overcome obstacles up to 6 centimeters high, surpassing the X40 Ultra's 2.2 centimeter limit, allowing it to navigate more challenging environments. The vacuum's height adjustment capability enables it to clean under spaces as low as 8.9 centimeters, reaching areas that are typically difficult to access. The X50 Ultra in some international markets also offers UV sterilization, eliminating bacteria and allergens for a healthier home environment. Its hot water cleaning system operates up to 80 degrees Celsius compared to the X40 Ultra's 70 degrees Celsius, ensuring a more thorough clean. Additional features like a self-cleaning washboard and Mop Extend Robo-Swing technology further enhance its cleaning efficiency. Both models support multi-floor mapping for up to 4 floors, making them suitable for multi-level homes. They also share the same dust box and water tank capacities, ensuring ample storage for debris and water during cleaning sessions. The X50 Ultra's advanced features and increased suction power make it a superior choice for those seeking top-tier cleaning performance.